Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Learn. Today we are going to attach a linear Hall sensor to an Arduino. So let's zoom into the video. A linear Hall sensor is a magnetic field sensor that provides a continuous analog output proportional to the strength and direction of the magnetic field it detects. It is used for position sensing, current sensing, and proximity sensing applications. Unlike digital Hall sensors that offer on-off states, linear Hall sensors offer a linear output that varies with the applied magnetic field. They consist of a Hall element and associated circuitry for signal conditioning and amplification. To make this video I took an LED linear Hall sensor, an Arduino, some wires to connect, and motherboard, and some things to test. But for testing the items I have took an pen and wrench, it is a metal item. And last but not least a magnet. At the starting, connect the A0, G and D and the VCC pins to the wires. After that, connect the A0 wire to the motherboard. Then, and the G and D pin to G and D pin of Arduino. And the VCC pin to 5 volts pin in the Arduino. Keep the A0 pin to A0 of the Arduino. Then connect the LED pins to the motherboard. Connect the positive terminal to digital pin 13 in the Arduino and the negative terminal to G and D. Certainly. The provided Arduino code reads the analog output of a linear Hall sensor connected to pin A0. It compares the sensor value to a midpoint, 512, and controls an LED connected to pin 13 accordingly. If the sensor value is greater than the midpoint, the LED is turned on, otherwise, it is turned off. The code also prints the sensor value to the serial monitor for debugging purposes. The delay of 100 milliseconds between readings helps stabilize the measurements. Ensure the proper connections between the linear Hall sensor, Arduino, and LED for the code to function correctly. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to learn more about Arduino.